What's up, everybody? Arty 84 Wicked Explorers. We are in Saugus, Massachusetts at the historical park site, I guess you could call it, of the Saugus Ironworks. This was in Saugus. This is a facility or a site they have set up here that I've been to probably 20 years ago, in which kind of shows what the old town of Saugus was like back in the Revolutionary times. So we're gonna walk around. Some of the buildings are probably closed, but at least get to walk around and see a few things. Like I said, it's been a while since I've been here. They're working on some renovations, but it'd be cool to kind of just walk around and check out some of the sites here at the Saugus Ironworks. So as you see the date there, it's in 1646 this place was established, and I'm just gonna walk where we're going because I was looking at some construction. It's just part of the National Parks Department, so anything here is basically untouchable, and they do a pretty good job keeping this up. Like I said, I haven't been here since I would say high school, 20 years ago actually. I did some photography here, so interesting to see what it looks like. Like I said, I haven't been here in a while. It looks like they're restoring some old buildings. There was a sign at the door when I walked in. June through October, buildings are open. Some of the museums are open during the day. So something to keep in mind if you're in the area and you want to see some of inside of these buildings. Between June and October is the time to go. But it looks pretty cool. So the idea of this was, I believe this is part of the Saugus River. And this is where they were able to pull the boats up and make the iron stuff they were building. And ship it out, I guess. That's the idea. Is this pretty cool water wheel system. So they use falling water, it appears, to generate some kind of power. Because if you look down here, it looks like the water has fallen down and will go out into the river over there, which is pretty cool for the time. Now, all these stuff are closed. Next time I come, we should come here when everything's open. It looks like they closed up at 4 o'clock during the day. So all these buildings are all closed up and you're really not able to go inside to see the stuff. So we'll keep that in mind and we'll do a revisit. Probably end of the summer, because at that point some of these structures they're working on could possibly be finished. So if that's the case, that'd be great. Now, if you're not familiar with this area of Saugus, it's in Saugus Center, and it's in the middle of a residential neighborhood. They have actually, the road bends significantly around this place in order to maintain the historic aspects of this place, which is great. We're looking at over almost 400 years old of history here, which is great. And they're preserving it, and the Parks Department does a very good job doing so. So it's nice to walk around. If I lived in the neighborhood, I would walk around here all the time. It's nice and quiet. Some really cool stuff to look at, some cool trails. So that's what we're going to be doing. Oh, this is interesting. Look at this. Looks like a giant chimney of some sort that they used to probably need to forge the steel, get it really hot. If you can see how it looks like they're rebuilding it up there. Very interesting. Very old. It's amazing. Some of the stuff's intact over so many years. And even some of these wood structures, obviously some maintenance had been done to them in the past, but the fact that they're still pretty much maintained is pretty impressive. So that was a little look around the Saugus Ironworks here in Saugus, Massachusetts. If you like it, please subscribe, leave some comments below. I promise we will come back when everything's open. So it looks like weekends during the day between 12 and 4 is probably the best time. So holiday weekend going up, things are probably gonna be closed. So we're gonna aim for the end of the summer, early fall. I'm thinking September. We should stop by here and check this place out because I think we'll be able to see some of the stuff that they're working on be finished and have a better picture. But if you're from Saugus, please leave some information. Tell me if you know anything more about this. I know they forged iron here 400 years ago, and they had a little direct route to a little creek that takes you out to the water to go to all the villages they had back in the day. But if you know any more information, let me know. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.